When choosing an eSIM for travel, most people compare the same things: price, coverage, speed, setup, and how flexible the data plans are. Popular eSIM providers usually offer good coverage in many countries, but the prices can be quite different depending on the destination. Some providers are better for short trips, while others are better if you need more data for work, maps, social media, or streaming. One thing to check is whether the eSIM supports 4G or 5G in the country you are visiting. A cheap plan is not always the best deal if the speed is slow, the data runs out too quickly, or the connection is not stable. Setup is another important point. Most eSIMs work in a similar way. You buy a plan online, receive a QR code, scan it on your phone, and activate the data plan. But some websites make the process easier than others, especially for first-time eSIM users. Price is where the difference becomes more noticeable. Some eSIM brands charge more because they are already well-known. Others offer similar travel data options at a more affordable price. That is where a leased eSIM becomes a strong option to consider. Compared to many bigger eSIM providers, a leased eSIM focuses on simple travel data plans, affordable pricing, and fast internet with 5G speed where available. It is a good choice for travelers who want to stay connected without paying high roaming fees or buying an expensive SIM card at the airport. So, if you are comparing eSIMs, do not only look at the brand name. Compare the price, the data amount, the destination coverage, and the network speed. For many travelers, the best choice is the one that gives a good balance between cost, speed, and easy activation. And for that, a leased eSIM is a very solid option.